Good morning 12th students. Today in this video I am showing how to solve the question paper of first term. I gave you marks. I hope everyone has seen their marks. But how to write, in what manner, what you did the mistakes, that I want to show because you didn't come to see the paper. Okay, so in this video, not of that 50 marks MCQs, but I am adding this part B, section A. First, answer the following questions. Each carries 2 marks. That is of 16 marks, means 8 you have to write. Internal choice was there. First one I am explaining. Write Faraday's 2 laws of electrolysis. So this you can see on page number C. According to our marks distribution, this was the ratio. From chapter 1 we have to take 4 marks, 2, 5 marks, then MCQs and all. In this way I took according to our blueprint. So in part B, 2 marks. First you write Faraday's 2 laws of electrolysis. So this is of chapter 3. On page number 85 you can see Faraday's laws of electrolysis. Okay, first law this and second law. Bus. Up to 2 for 2 marks you have to write only the law. You were not supposed to derive these laws. Okay, so many of the students didn't write the law nicely. Only you have to write the law, not elsewhere, more anything. Okay, followed. So 2 laws, first this and second this. Only you have to write. Now I am telling you the second one. Suggest a list of metals that are extracted electrolytically. Okay, so I told you to write only the names of metals. Only the names of metal. So this one is on page number, textbook page number 103. You have to write only the names of metals. Okay, from this chapter, metallurgy. So you have to write only the names like that. Sodium, the number of, okay, so names only, not elsewhere more. Now our next question is write units of rate constant of zero order reaction, first order reaction. So mostly the students did write chapter 5, page number 127. Only you have to write units of rate constant of zero order reactions, first order reactions. Okay. Page number 127. This one. Zero order reaction, 0. And these are the units. Only you have to write the units. So easily you will get 1 mark each. Now our next question is draw diagrams of Graf adsorption isotherm and Freundlich isotherm. So from chapter 5, surface chemistry, page number 127. See, you have to write only the graph, this one. Not elsewhere you have to write. 1 mark here, 1 mark here. So many of the students didn't draw this. So you have to draw only the graph, adsorption and Freundlich. No description of this is important for the 2 marks. Okay. Now our next question is describe in short important methods for concentration of ore. That was very easy. Only you have to write the methods. So on page number 153 you have to write some methods. Not all, but you have to write this method. Concentration of ores, washing, magnetic separation, a froth flotation method, leaching, and bas yahan tak hi. Okay students, so for this two lines you have to write only. Page number 153. Describe in short important methods for concentration of ores. Concentration of ores, only the methods. Name and describe two lines, not more than that. No need of drawing diagram for 2 marks and all. Okay students, followed? Now our next question is explain importance of coordination compounds. Explain importance of coordination compound. That was from chapter number 9, page 263, part 2. Sorry. Part 1, page 263. You can see importance. First, importance of coordination compounds. Sixth one, then explain application of coordination compounds. I gave from these two topics, from this topic different. Importance of coordination compounds and application. Importance means you have to show where they are using, and application also what is the importance and what is the application. So some of the points you have to write like that. And in importance you have to write some points like that. So many points were there. For the 2 marks, minimum 4 to 5 points important you have to write. What is the importance and what is the application. So in this, I gave 2 questions separately. That is, explain importance of coordination compounds. Explain application of coordination compounds. Okay. Now next question is very important. That was explain, write structure of following. Very simple I gave. 2-chloro-3-methyl pentane. Mostly students did nice. 1-chloro-4-ethyl cyclohexane. Okay. So this is on page number 321. You can see. Sorry, 200. 293. 2-chloro-3-methyl pentane, 1-chloro-4-ethyl hexane I gave. Cyclohexane. 2-chloro-3-methyl pentane. So you can see in text questions answer. (321) page number 321, the answer key is there. This one. Okay. Now our next question is show steric effects of SN2 reactions. Mostly the students didn't follow this question. Show steric effects in SN2 reactions. Only I asked steric effects, but mostly few students did this. This one is 10th one, 9th. See, you can see. Show steric effect in SN2 reactions. The relative rates of SN2 reaction is given to. Okay. So page number 303. Only you have to show this steric effect. NuX. This one. Methyl, ethyl. Then isopropyl. Only to this diagram. No description and all for the 2 marks. Now our next question, number 10. Show Hoffman bromide degradation reactions of amines. Last one. page number 394. Hoffman. Hoffman bromide degradation reaction. So only you have to see this bromination with NaOH and NH4. This group is going to remove and you are getting Na2CO3 and you are getting NaBr. But mostly the students fail to attend this. Okay, so in the first section I showed you the answer key of this for first page number 85, for second page number 85, number 3 page number 103, page number 127, page 153, 263, then 263, 293, and that index questions answer key is on 321, then page number 303 and page number 394. So in this way, when you are coming to the school, if you want to see the paper, you can see how you wrote and in what manner you have to write in the exam section. Okay, students. So in this video, I am only showing the answer key of part B, section A, which you can carry of 16 marks. How you will score 16 out of 16. Okay.